How to enable or disable protect mail activity on iPhone X. And okay guys, here in your mobile phone, go to settings. In settings, scroll down and go to mail. Here in mail, scroll down again and message section, you can see here the privacy protection. So you can tap this and you can see here in privacy protection the protect mail activity. And protect mail activity is disabled. To enable this, you'll have to do is switch on the switch button on the right side. So if this enable, mail privacy protection works by hiding your IP address and loading remote content privately and the background, even when you don't open the message. This makes it harder for sender to follow your mail activity. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully enabled. And to disable again, okay, you'll have to do is switch off the switch button on the right side. And okay guys, we have successfully enabled or disabled protect mail activity on iPhone X.